Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So we saw what is mapping and from where it is deriving. Has a relationship in core Java, and Hibernate is trying to provide the same solution for it, but through some different configuration. Either you can opt for XML configuration or you can go for annotations. So we will go for annotation, and there are certain annotations for each types, and that we will see. So we'll start with one-to-one annotation or one-to-one mapping. So let's try to understand how we can achieve one-to-one here in Hibernate. So what was is we will have two different classes. Let's pick the same class, house and door. So the requirement is I'll create a class house. This class will have ID is must, right? We know this thing in Hibernate, ID is must. So we have to keep this Hibernate table ID. Then let's say name, we have a name, and then door won't make much sense here because we can have multiple doors here. So we might use this table or class later. Let's change the example. So instead of going for house, let's say user and passport. Yeah, that is better. Passport. So you one user, one legit user or like person has this password. Let's change it to person. That will be better. So a person has passport. Right. Okay. So what we will have here as a field. So ID, as we know, ID is must. Person name definitely. Uh, then because we have here has a relationship, so I have to map this passport here. So now we can say passport has person has passport. Okay, it's done. This is of int type, but it's going to be string type, and this is going to be int type. Okay, now in passport we will have uh, ID. Of course it's going to be a different class, so ID is must, and let's just say country, from which translate like nationality. So ID and country is enough. So this kind of implementation we will do at coding side on Eclipse. We will do that, and then we will see how to implement it through you know Java coding. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Let's meet in next video for actually see this thing in action. Bye bye.